How about a classic and universally loved recipe for chicken parmesan? It's a delicious and comforting dish that's sure to please a wide range of tastes. Chicken parmesan recipe. Ingredients. For the chicken, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt and black pepper. To taste, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, beaten 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil for the tomato sauce, 2 cups tomato sauce, homemade or store-bought, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and black pepper. To taste. For the topping, 1½ cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil or parsley. For garnish instructions. 1. Prep the chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Season the chicken breasts with salt and black pepper. 2. Coat the chicken. Dredge each chicken breast in the following order: first in flour, then in beaten eggs, and finally in a mixture of breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan cheese. Press the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to adhere. 3. Sear the chicken. In an oven-proof skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. 4. Prepare the tomato sauce. In the same skillet, add the tomato sauce, dried oregano, dried basil, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Stir well and bring to a simmer. 5. Add the chicken back. Place the seared chicken breasts into the skillet with the tomato sauce. 6. Add cheese and bake. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese over the chicken. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through, and the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. 7. Garnish and serve. Remove the skillet from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh basil or parsley before serving. Serve your chicken parmesan with spaghetti, a side salad, or garlic bread for a complete and delicious meal that's bound to be a crowd pleaser.